With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is, a lift accelerate downward from rest at rate of 2 meter per second square, starting 100 meter above the ground. After 3 seconds, an object falls out the lift. So here the question is, which will reach the ground first? So let's see the solution. So first of all, according to question, what is stated here? That is, we have an lift which is accelerating with the acceleration of 2 meter per second square in downward direction. Okay, now this lift is 100 meter above from the ground. This is also given to us. Okay, this lift is 100 meter above from the ground. Okay, now after 3 seconds, an object is fall out the lift. Means, let's suppose after 3 seconds the lift will reach out to this position. Let's suppose the lift is reached out to this position, and after reaching to this position, an object is fall from here to ground. So in that case, let's suppose if the velocity of the lift was u, so obviously the falling velocity of the object will also be same, that is u. Okay, now this is for the scenario of after 3 seconds. Okay, but in this case the acceleration for the lift will be same as 2 meter per second square, but for object the acceleration will be nothing but g, and g is known to us, that is 10 meter per second square. Okay, because object will fall because of gravitational attraction, that is g is equals to 10 meter per second square. Now if we see here, both having the same speed, but the lift having the acceleration 2 meter per second square and the object having the acceleration of 10 meter per second square. So from here we can say that the object will reach first to the ground before of this lift. Okay, so for this first question, which will reach the ground first? So here we can write the object will reach to first to the ground. Okay, object will reach first to the ground. Now the second thing which is asked here, that is, what is the time interval between their striking the ground? Okay, so for this, first of all we need to find the distance. Up to that the lift is already came in 3 seconds. Means according to diagram, first of all we will try to find this much of distance, which I have denoted here by blue arrow. Okay, so this can be found out by using the equation, that is s is equals to ut plus 1/2 of at square, right? Now as the initial speed is 0, that means this term will going to be 0, and acceleration of the lift is 2 meter per second square, so this will become 1/2 into 2 into time will be 3 seconds, that is square, and the distance is we have to find here. So this s will become equals to 2 will be cancelled, 3 square will give me 9 meter. It means in 3 seconds the lift is came right over here, and it covered an distance of 9 meter. So can I say that from the ground its distance will be 91 meter? Okay, from the ground its distance will be 91 meter. Now here we have to find the time interval between their striking. So for that, first of all we will try to find the time required to reach the ground for the object, and this can be found out by using the same equation. That is, therefore here first of all we will find the time to reach the ground for object. Time to reach the ground for object. Okay, so for object how much time will be required? So to find out this, we simply use the equation, that is distance is 91 meter. This should be equals to ut, that is 6 into t plus 1/2 of at square. Now here a will be 10 into t square. So after simplifying it, we get time t will be equals to 3.7 second. Now this 3.7 second is to reach onto the ground from this position. If we talk about the total time taken by the object, so what we can say that is the total time taken by the object. Okay, total time taken by object, this will be equals to 3 plus 3.7, that is equals to 6.7 second. Okay, now similarly we will try to find the time taken by the lift to reach to the ground. Okay, so here that can be calculated as total distance is 100 meter. Okay, for the lift total distance is 100 meter. Now obviously initial speed of the lift is 0, that means u into t, that term will going to be 0. So what will be remain 1/2 of at square. Now according to question, acceleration for the lift is a is 2 meter per second square. So this will be as it is into t square. So from here this 2 will get cancelled, while we get t square will be equals to 100. This implies t will be equals to 10 second. Okay, so here we can say that for the lift, the time required to reach to the ground is 10 seconds. But what is asked here in the question? To find out the time interval between them. So very simple. So the time interval of the striking will be equals to 10 minus 6.7, that is equals to 3.3 second, and this will be our required answer for the second question. Okay, so here the time interval between their striking the ground will be 3.3 second. Okay, so this is the required solution for this particular question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.